In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Substack with Squarespace. We'll take the sign-up form that Substack generates for you and place it neatly on your Squarespace site so visitors can subscribe without leaving your page. Start by opening your Substack dashboard. From there, head into Settings. This is where Substack keeps all the tools that connect your publication with the rest of the web. Inside Settings, look for the section called Growth. Growth is designed to help you expand your audience, and it includes exactly what we need. Within Growth, find the option labeled Embeddable Subscribe button. This is Substack's pre-built subscription widget that works on most websites, including Squarespace. When you open that area, you'll see a snippet of code Substack has prepared for your publication. All you need to do here is click Copy. That places the entire embed code on your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your site. Now switch over to your Squarespace website editor and navigate to the page where you want the subscribe form to appear. A common spot is near the top of your homepage, in a sidebar, or at the end of blog posts. Anywhere your visitors naturally pause and consider subscribing. In the editor, add a new content block where you want the form to live. When the block picker opens, use the search bar and type embed. Select the embed block from the results. This block is built for exactly this kind of task, bringing in content that's powered by external code. Once the embed block is placed, open its settings to edit it. You'll see options for adding a link or switching to code. Choose the code option so you can work directly with the snippet you copied from Substack. Click into the code field to activate it. Paste the Substack code you copied earlier into that code field. As soon as you paste, you should see a preview of the subscribe button or form inside the block. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the page preview. You can then resize the block or adjust spacing around it so it fits your layout cleanly. That's it. You grabbed the embeddable subscribe button from Substack, copied the code, added an embed block in Squarespace, opened the block's code view, and pasted it in. Make sure the placement works well on both desktop and mobile, and then save your page the way you normally do. Your Squarespace site is now connected to your Substack, and new subscribers will flow straight into your publication.